Brian going, man. Remember, get at him on Facebook at Brian Fuller if y'all need any housework, man. Oh, you got y'all little pool too. Good morning, people. It's a beautiful day in Virginia. Tell y'all what we doing today. My boy Brian got a truck he been building for like, I think it's been like 2 to 3 years. A single cab build. And I think we gonna finally get it on the channel today. It's almost complete, so it's still a work in progress, but I seen this truck come from nothing into something. So before I was rudely interrupted. So we about to go to a Nancock Deli and get some food. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when we pulling up out there. To you Ford owners, man, to you Ford owners, this is where you belong. On the tow bed. Alright, y'all, so we're coming into a Nancock. $12 in the cut, coming through, you know what I'm saying? 12 coming through, you know what I'm saying? Coming through. Don't worry about what I'm doing with the camera, just know you're on camera. You know what I'm saying? Welcome to a Nancock, man. I bought my first car from over there, took it over there to wash it. You know what I'm saying? Pulling up to the deli now. That's one of the owners, Shell. How you doing, Shell? You in the vlog? And this is where it is, man. A Nancock Deli. So y'all come out here if y'all want some good food for a good price. So I'm gonna holler at y'all when we open up the food and see what it look like. I guess that nigga, he ain't nothing like you, Chris. Skeleton up on my wrist, I'm going for the kill. All right, y'all, so we sitting at Parcel World Farms waiting for Brian to pull up so I can show you this truck, man. Like I said, I'm gonna get the details from him, but I think he's been working on it for like a year or two, if I'm not tripping, something like that. So I'll let y'all when he pull up, should be soon. There it is, man. My boy clean, boy. And that OBS, boy. Fresh paint on her. She clean, man. I seen this truck come up from nothing, man. Stock truck. He got some beat in there too. Go ahead and show me what that beat sound like, man. I'm gonna play it for a little bit because of copyright, but let them know how you beating, man. right, so we got Brian, man, here. And it's his truck, man. So give me the rundown on the year, man, and what you done did to it. I know I saw it from the beginning, but they ain't seen it from the beginning.
It's a 95 Sierra.
95 Sierra.
Yep, it was a one owner until I got it. And then it was a work truck, and I couldn't find a decent model that wasn't beat up and, you know, everything modified on it, because I wanted to do what the plan I had for it. So I got it, and I had a 6.4 drop kit put on it, 24-inch IROX,
okay.
Flowmaster dual exhaust, custom paint. Jesse Mariner painted it. Eastern Shore Auto Body did the system in it. It's got a big system.
So what system you got in it?
It's got 4,000 watt monoblock SCAR, and then it's got 3,500 watt 12-inch SCAR subwoofer. It's got 6x6.5 in the doors, SCAR audio. It's got a power acoustic double din touchscreen. Everything's been modded. Decals, I did a lot of the work myself. Besides some of the other touches that I had done to it, I did most of it myself over about a 1.5 to 2 year process.
So what's some of the work you do, bro? You work on cars and stuff, but what's your main hustle? Tell me what your main hustle is with the houses and stuff like that.
I build houses, garages, porch, decks, patios. Been doing it since I was young.
Professional, man. I done seen his work, man, and he get you done quick. So if y'all need any work like that, where they hit you at? What number they hit you at? You want to hit you on Facebook or what?
Just hit me on Facebook Messenger.
Facebook Messenger at Brian Fuller, man, and he take pride in the work he does. I'm not putting no lazy people on this channel. If people do a certain craft, if I put them on this channel, they do it to the max, man. They take pride in their work. So
I also build guns in my spare time.
He build guns from scratch?
It depends what they want. Triggers, springs, tore down, painted, put back together. You name it, I can do it. What else?
See, y'all let them know about them guns and stuff too, man. I know you got a pretty piece with you right now, man. Oh, yeah. My boy never lacking. So what you got there, man?
That's Smith & Wesson 9mm custom.
Smith & Wesson 9.
Still got the same rails and everything on it.
I got you. And you know me, man. I'm a FN boy, man. I'm a FN boy, man. And tell your favorite rapper stop lying to man about FN got blue tips, man. They shooting with target rounds, man. These real bullets right here. They real bullets. So tell your favorite rapper stop lying, man.
That's what it is.
That's what he working with.
Make sure.
And we legal people. We in Virginia. I don't know what state y'all from, but
licensed.
Second Amendment, man. Know your rights of your state, yo. So just
I pull it apart and I put a stronger spring, half-pound trigger. Just all those stuff, you know, particular about stuff.
I got you.
I want it done the way I want it, so I do it myself.
I got you. All right, y'all. So we about to get some driving footage of this truck, man, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. We about to hop on the highway and we see this thing in motion.
Oh yeah.
That little boy coming through, man. So man, I figured y'all show y'all this, man. Boy got a crazy build right here. He say he bought it like this, but it's wild, man. Y'all ain't never seen nothing like this. What kind of wheels you got on here?
You know them replica BBS.
Replica BBS, but they still look good though. Still look good. Got the spike lugs with the color on them. But yeah, man, I always see you around and stuff. Y'all figure I'll get you on there, bro.
Oh yeah, bro.
But yeah, check it out. If you
You still got the system in there?
Nah, Juke.
The system?
Yeah.
Shit's 210.
Got 210s in there.
I imagine it hits harder than a little Civic.
It's different though, man. It's real different. So this type of stuff we're gonna have on the channel, man. So if y'all got a clean car, different car, hit me up, yo.
Blow her out one time. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah.
All right, yo.
Smoke down there.
She still look good.
Smoke halos, smoke parking lights, clear everything. All clear with the smoke lens, halogens.
Yeah.
It's gonna look tough with it.
All right, y'all. So we about to hop on this highway. I'm gonna get y'all this rolling footage. Clean, man. Flawless. Tell them again one time who painted the truck again.
Let's see. Jesse Mariner painted the truck.
You got his contact information, or what, just what's the name of the shop? Is cool.
It's Low Life Customs.
Low Life Customs.
Low Life Customs in Keller, Virginia.
All right.
Shore.
And he on Facebook, so if you know.
He's on Facebook, Low Life Customs. Let me see. Parker at Ward's Tires. Parker Ward did the drop kit. I've got.
That's the reason why I sent so low, Parker.
Yeah, I got 6 in the front and 4 in the back. I wanted a little bit slope to it. And then Chandler from Eastern Shore Auto Body, good friend of mine, and Forrest Drummond, he's Eastern Shore Auto Body owner. And they did the system, basically the interior.
I got you.
You know, basically the interior, the TV.
Got a screen in there too, y'all.
Yeah, everything. Yep.
I got his box right there, man.
Yep. That is that big 3200 watt Scar Audio.
And this where I'm from, man. We on the shore with it, man. So we at Shell Point in Garganta. From the shore, you know where this is. I'm sorry about the wind noise. I don't got no wind mic yet. It's my next spot. But we out here, man. We out here. Almost drowned right over there. I was with somebody. He was on a blow up raft, and the marsh popped the boat, and then somebody that came through. I don't know how to swim, so somebody who came through here on a big boat had to give us a ride from that side to this side. But I was about to go for it, so I almost drowned, man. Legit. And I remember when he got these wheels, yo, brand new, and tell me why they still look brand new. I remember when I got my gloss back wheels, they got ashy, but his joint's still black. He got proxies on here too, man. He didn't just wrap her in any other ordinary tire.
Yeah, they're on there.
Toyo proxies.
I got the other one. About half throttle. Let's see.
So you got seat covers,
Yep.
Dickies seat covers.
Yeah, Dickies. I went with Dickies. They were comfortable. I liked them. So
Floor
I put them
mats.
in there. GMC seat covers.
And then what'd you do to do this?
That's Rhino line. I pulled the whole interior out, the seats. These are seats that I put in there. None of this was in when I got the truck.
Right.
Everything was different. The paint was different. No tinted windows. It was just a stock bare bones GMC.
Steering wheel cover on the GMC steering wheel on her. So yeah, man, he put this thing together. Like I said, I'm gonna try to find y'all a picture of when he first brought it around me, and I'm gonna try to throw it in there somewhere. But if I don't, man, you gotta take my word for it, man. This truck was totally different. He had like some granddaddy bars right here. They came from right here to here. He got rid of all that. Yeah, had a roof scoop on top, all that, man. He changed his whole truck around, man. The whole truck. So I like stuff like this, man. Seeing stuff go from bare bones to nothing to something that anybody would drive. You know what I'm saying? Anybody. So
95 GMC Sierra was a plain stock bare bones GMC.
yeah, man, it was a work truck, man. It was a work truck when you got it.
Yeah, it was a work truck. Yep.
Now she's a show truck.
Yep. Yeah, I remember the day I seen you. I said, I'm gonna turn it into a show truck. That's what I'm gonna do.
Hey, he kept his word, man. So we out here to this water, man. We got the trucks out here. I'm dirty right now, but it's all good. But he cleaned enough for both of us. Put it that way, cleaned up for both of us. So yeah, man.
Forward in the back. I like that.
Yeah, man, got the Ford in the back, man.
That's where
they belong, man.
Right behind the shed.
That's where they belong, man. So it's in the back.
Yeah, right behind the shed.
But yeah, man. So we gonna chop it up, man, and y'all stay tuned. If you got some stuff like this, a custom truck, maybe you built it for nothing, or built it from nothing, or a car you built from nothing, or even if you bought it already built, I don't judge. So, you know, get at me or whatever, man.
Work to get it.
Hey, gotta work to if you bought it built, you know, you spent more money than somebody who bought it. You end up spending about the same amount of money either way you go. So, like I said, if y'all got anything like that, man, email me or hit me on Facebook or something like that, man. Let me know and we'll put it on the channel, man. I'm trying to show love to all my people, so let me show love to you. So we're gonna chop it up, man, and then we're gonna get on out of here. So I'm gonna bother him for one more thing, y'all. I know y'all wanna hear what this exhaust sound like when he rev it, man. So let me give y'all that, man. Oh yeah, he got a lit up GNC sign too, man. I ain't noticed that. GNC sign lighting up, man. Go ahead, Brandon. Oh yeah.